The Nutraponics Tower Garden System lets you grow a large number of herbs and vegetables in a compact vertical footprint, making it ideal for small patios, balconies, or kitchen corners. Its modular tower structure is easy to assemble and expand, so you can start small and add more growing levels as your gardening confidence and space allow. The straightforward analog timer for water circulation is refreshingly simple, letting you automate irrigation without relying on applications, wireless networks, or complicated programming. A slim water reservoir designed for efficient use keeps maintenance low while still providing consistent hydration and nutrients to the plants. The quiet submersible pump runs smoothly in the background, circulating nutrient solution without adding noticeable noise to your living space. Durable, food-safe materials and a leak-resistant design give you peace of mind when setting the system up indoors, even on hard floors or near furniture.